I'd like to take a walk with you through the many futures our students step into after graduation. But first, a bit about our history. John P. Burke spent most of their life in service, through the Army, through decades in and community leadership, and later as Connecticut's banking commissioner. What he learned is simple. A society depends on people who choose professions that strengthen others. And that is the heart of every program in this school. Let's start with the earliest stage of life. Our child studies graduates go on to shape young minds during the most important developmental years. You will find them in early childhood education centers, preschools, child care programs, Head Start, early intervention services, and community-based family resource centers. They design supportive learning environments, guide children through developmentally appropriate activities, partner with families, and help young learners build the foundational skills that last a lifetime. They work with children developing typically and with those who need additional support. They influence the first years when the brain is growing faster than at any other point in life. Move a bit further into the community, and you'll find our human services graduates working where people need advocates the most. They are in youth programs helping teens set goals, in nonprofit organizations connecting families with resources, in domestic violence shelters supporting survivors, in housing programs helping people secure stability, in court support services working with individuals navigating probation or re-entry, and in countless community agencies designing prevention initiatives. They assess needs, help people overcome barriers, and guide individuals and families through some of the most challenging periods of their lives. You'll find psychology graduates in just as many settings. They work in human service agencies, schools, community programs, residential treatment centers, rehabilitation programs, nonprofit organizations, and research environments. Many go on to graduate studies in counseling, social work, clinical psychology, behavior analysis, or organizational psychology. Psychology helps them understand how people think, behave, learn, and grow. They use those insights to support clients, improve communication in organizations, analyze human behavior in workplaces, or contribute to research that advances our understanding of the mind. Continue along the path of community and public safety, and you'll discover many of our criminal justice graduates. They take on roles in law enforcement, corrections, probation, parole support, security operations, private investigation, public safety programs, and juvenile justice. Some work behind the scenes analyzing crime patterns. Others assist in evidence documentation, court processes, or maintaining safety in community programs. Whether working in public or private sectors, they help uphold justice, order, and the fair treatment of individuals. Then there are the individuals who thrive in high-pressure environments, our graduates in emergency management and homeland security. You'll see them coordinating response for emergency management agencies, serving in homeland security units, working in public safety departments, assisting fire services and EMS administration, supporting public health disaster preparedness, and assessing risk for corporate or infrastructure organizations. They analyze threats, develop emergency plans, manage response efforts, communicate with the public during crises, and help communities recover when disaster strikes. These are the professionals who step forward when everything else is falling apart. Finally, let's walk into the world of law and regulation, where our legal studies graduates serve in law firms, corporate legal departments, real estate and probate offices, government agencies, regulatory compliance roles, nonprofits, and courts. They conduct legal research, draft documents, prepare case materials, assist attorneys, manage evidence and records, and help ensure organizations comply with state and federal regulations. Many continue onward to law school, but all graduate with the skills to think analytically, communicate clearly, and approach problems through a legal lens. Across all of these fields, one theme remains constant. These careers matter. They support families, protect communities, guide young people, uphold justice, respond in crisis, and ensure fairness in legal and social systems. They are the kinds of roles that make society stronger and more compassionate. So as you consider your path, know this: every degree in this school leads to meaningful, purpose-driven work. Work that aligns with service, leadership, and community. The values I dedicated my career to, and the values this school continues to embody in my name. And wherever your path leads, I hope you choose the one that allows you to make a difference in the lives of others. That is the legacy worth carrying forward.